are the ingredients for a Belikirik, which is a Turkish dish, and it's stuffed eggplant. And the reason it's called that, it's sort of like a backbone or a spine, and we're going to be cutting our eggplant and stuffing it with meat. Of course, if you're a vegetarian, you can do it with cheeses or find an alternative filling. Add grated onions, finely grated onions to your beef. Pepper, turmeric, and cumin to your ground beef with onions. And add salt. Anything that you can add to your ground beef mixture for your stuffed eggplant is you can use some paprika. The original recipe calls for thyme. However, if you don't have thyme, you can use cumin and turmeric as a substitute. Shidem is actually throwing her big hunk of ground beef, and why is that?
To get, or as you said, to get air so the meat sticks to each other like better kind of binds.
Oh, this is.
Why do you cover it?
To let it marinate, just to set it aside. You can just use.
Shidem is now preparing the eggplant, and in this dish, it's also, when you translate it, it means broken spine, and you're going to see why in just a minute. Shidem is making these slits. She's not going all the way through the eggplant, and you could see it's bending, it's flexible.
Right, broken spine doesn't hold itself anymore.
It's flexible. Shidem, show us how it bends afterwards. Okay, show me how you, wow. Okay, hold that. So now we're going to fill the eggplant. So you make a meatball, and then you're going to actually push it into the crevice that you cut in the eggplant. Now we're going to stuff the eggplant that's already been cut on the diagonal, and in the slits, Shidem is placing a handful of meat. It's actually about the size of a golf ball, and she's going to insert one of these pieces of meat into each one of the slits that she made. And again, the meat is ground beef with spices, and it's about the size of a golf ball. We are making the sauce that goes on top of the stuffed eggplant. Shidem is taking 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Now she is taking hot pepper paste, and she's just taken about half a tablespoon, and she's adding it to the tomato paste. To the tomato paste and pepper paste mixture, you could add 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt to taste. To this, we're going to add less than a cup of oil, about 3/4 of a cup of vegetable oil or corn oil. We're adding hot water. It's not boiling, but it is hot to the touch. And we're adding this to our tomato and pepper paste and our salt to dissolve.
Bu az, birazcık daha ekleyeceğim. Sonra tepsileri üzerine gezdireceğim.
Now we're adding tomatoes on top of the eggplant as decoration. We've already added some chopped garlic cloves.
Yeah, just slices. It doesn't have to be grated.
Also add red and green bell peppers. fresh garlic to your stuffed eggplant along with tomatoes, red and green. After you've finished adding your vegetables, top your eggplant with your tomato sauce. This is eggplant with aluminum foil before you bake it.